What's up, everyone? This is Stevie B from StevieBReviews.com. This is going to be what is the best website builder and everything that comes along with it. It could be, do they have a training? Do they have a free? How much money is it? What do you get for that money, etc. Alright, let's get right into it. Now, first, this is going to be Squarespace against Wealthy Affiliate, and I just want to know which one is better and what you get with each one. Let's start with Squarespace. Supposedly they're the leader in website design, so they have a lot of good stuff when you want to create a website. And if you already know how to make a website and how to make money online, this is probably very, very good for you because you can make a very good website with this. The only thing that bothers me with it is there's no training with Squarespace. It's literally only you can make a website or you can make an online store, which they charge a little extra to have that online store and make money online. So I don't really appreciate that. They do have excellent portfolios. They really do. Their pitches are good. They have great blogging tools. Let me rephrase it. They have good blogging tools. SEO tools are good. It is good if you just want to make a website and that's it. And if you want to make an online store, it's great. Like I said, if you know how to make money online already, this is good for you. There's no community though. It's literally just a website builder. Um, really, the apps and tools are okay, but in reality, every website builder has it. Like Wix has it, Weeble, like all those, they all have the apps and stuff. So doesn't really like wow, the mobile editing. Excuse me. Everyone has that also, so this isn't really like a big thing. Wix has a great format platform to make websites, and they're already basically done for you. So let's get into the next one here, Wealthy Affiliate. Now, this is a platform designed for affiliate marketers, and it is for all levels. So let me just say that before I get started over here. But already, if I had to choose from Squarespace or Wealthy Affiliate, and I know nothing about making money online, I would have to go with Wealthy Affiliate. First off, because they're ranked #1 of affiliate marketing training in the world, not just online, in the world. You transform your ideas into profit. Bottom line, Wealthy Affiliate promises that you'll make profit. As long as you don't quit and you stick with Wealthy Affiliate, eventually you will make money. And usually it's around the 3 to 4 month mark. As long as you keep pushing through, it's worth it. You build beautiful, profitable websites. And they're basically ready for you. Once you get started, you'll understand. They've been doing this for a while now. They have proven strategies to attract loads of traffic. Now, that's good. That's one thing that Squarespace doesn't do. It doesn't show you how to get people to your website. You gotta, go pay for something else when this is all in one spot. Revenue sources. There's millions and millions and millions. There's almost 600 million revenue sources that Wealthy Affiliate helps you with. Now, Wealthy Affiliate been in the business for 14 years, 193 countries, and 1.4 million members. There's 1,800 plus coaches, expert coaches, 23,000 people help daily, 10,000 plus new businesses built monthly just on Wealthy Affiliate. Now, here's some real people feedback. So let's see what Eric has to say. With all the tools and trainings here at Wealthy Affiliate, the support, the mentorship, the live video classes, the course lineup, the live chat, the ability to the incredible mentors, You know, there really is. I gotta say that the mentors are awesome here. Let's see what Marcus had to say. Wealthy affiliate transformed me. It turned the ordinary guy with no clear career path into someone who will always be able to generate an income online. That's how I feel, Marcus. I feel the same way, my friend. The future you need to succeed. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. It really is. You know, they have all sorts of tools that are just incredible. They have a keyword, the #1 ranked keyword research tool called Jaxi. That's in here. They have the website builder that you can make a website in 30 seconds. That's in here. The training, obviously I said it earlier, is the #1 training in the world. That's in here, you know. And they have a free course. You can do it for 6 months, see if you like it, and everyone that goes through the free course becomes a paid member, because you know, it's just endless. And it really is right here, endless opportunity, zero risk. What are you waiting for? No risk, no credit card required. You can just go try it out. Now, they've been 14 years of helping people, 14 years of progress, 1.5 million people, you know, out of 14 years. That's awesome. Training update. Alright, 750 plus per year. Tomorrow will always be better. I talk to the owners of Wealthy Affiliate at least once a week, and they are the most humble people, and they love helping people. They really do. They don't send you messages that, you know, they wrote 10 years ago. They actually write you personally a message. And I know that must be very hard for them to send, you know, people messages, but they do, you know. They have a huge team that all care about helping people. Here's Kyle. He's the co-owner. Hey, you cannot make people love a service. You have to create a service that people love. That is true. That is true. Where's the other owner? Well, here's the training chief, technological chief, programming chief, design chief, co-founder. Here's another co-founder. That's Carson. I didn't. I went right by him. I didn't even recognize him. He's another one. I talked to Kyle more though. I talked to Kyle a lot more. Now, this is what I like about this. Now, you won't fail. We promise. Everything you need to create a business, right? Where does it say? But one we strongly stand behind. We have never seen someone fail at Wealthy Affiliate that didn't quit. So if you don't quit, you're gonna make it. Everything you need to create and grow a business to any level online is included. Anything you ever need to make an online business is in this one platform. You don't have to go anywhere else. It's right here. Bottom line. Let's get into the pricing quick. And now Square, this is just for a website now. No training, no words, no keywords, no nothing. Just a website. $12 a month or $18 a month, right? And that's just your regular website, you know, crap. Online store, which I think you should get anyways if you're paying for a website. But that's just me. But Wealthy Affiliate does. 26 or 40, you get a good amount of stuff. But it's all bullshit, to be honest. It's just to get a little more money out of you. Now, Wealthy Affiliate has 2 price points. Starter, which is $0 a month. You can get it for 6 months. You get live help for the first 7 days with Starter, or unlimited with premium. But the stuff you get, right, just even the free, you can do 30 searches for the keyword research tool. You got training classrooms, affiliate program. Earn while you learn is a good one. One-on-one coaching, private access to owner. You don't have that, but you do for the first 7 days. When you pay $49 a month, if you went and got all those tools that are in here, it's $45. That's all I got. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay focused.